Let me help you, okay? Mommy's gonna help you. There's no helping. Oh, it is. Ah! Ah!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And the pops will help us open them.
That's so cool, Xander. So we have Zooballons. Wow. So we have pink color. Who's gonna open pink color?
Sky.
And then we have purple color. And who's gonna open the purple color?
Marshall and Zuma.
And then we have yellow color. And who's gonna open the balloon?
Rubble and Rocky.
Okay, so great job, Pops. You ready for action? So today we're gonna have some fun and we're gonna pop and have the fun, pop the balloons, and we'll see what is inside.
Yeah, and let's see if we get the rare.
We'll see if we get the rare, yes. So we'll see what we have, what we get, and let's have some fun.
Yeah, and I can smash it.
You're gonna smash them?
Yeah.
Nice. And there are 28 to collect, and there are blind bags inside. Ready to open?
Yes.
Oh. Hi, Sky. You ready to open your balloon?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it in the balloon. You need to help her, okay? So let's open Sunday. Rare metallic balloons. They're ultra rare glitter. Zooballons. So we'll see what you get. Hold the balloon.
Okay. Something black. Maybe I see something coming out as glitter.
Wow, which one did you get?
Ultra rare.
We got ultra rare?
Yeah.
Wow, is that the hamster?
Yeah.
Over here next to, let's see. Wow, we got the ultra rare hamster.
Yay.
That's so cool. God, ultra rare with glitter. Okay, wow, let's see what is inside. Open that bag. Sit down.
I think it's stickers. Stickers!
Can we see the stickers? Let me help you, okay? Mommy's gonna help you. There's no helping. Oh, it is. Ah! Let me see. What does it say? Wow. LOL.
He popped out and I was scared.
You guys. Opening next.
The yellow one.
Which one? With Rocky?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, Rocky. Hi, Rocky. Are you excited, Rocky? Put it so we can see.
I'm gonna open it.
Rocky's happy to see what surprise he's gonna get. Yeah. What is it gonna be? What is it gonna be?
Ultra rare.
Ultra rare?
Yeah, Rocky, you get like Sky.
he's gonna get the same as Sky?
Yeah, but maybe different, I think.
Okay, let's open. Okay, so let me see what is inside. Okay.
Something pink.
Let me see. What is it? Show it to me. Let me see. Which one is that one? It's like a little balloon. So you got there. Which one is here? You got the frog. Ready, set, go. He says, I love you. Look at that balloon. He says, I love you. Look at that. You like the balloon? Look
Yeah.
at the balloon. Did it scare you?
Yeah.
But it's fun.
Actually, it makes noises and it scares me.
Oh, okay. But you need to have fun with it. It's just a balloon. Look at the squishy. So we show the squishy. Let me see it. Okay, don't close. Let's see. Let's try and see it. So this is the squishy. Listen there. Show it to me. And this is the other squishy. You didn't show the other squishy.
What's in here?
It's just a balloon that says I love you. So we're gonna put it in the, what is this stand for the balloon?
It doesn't have stand.
It has one. It's just that one is stand like the other one. No, it's not here. It's here.
The blue one.
And they're the also right here next to it. Which one is gonna be next?
The yellow one for Rubble.
Rubble. So Rubble's gonna open the next one. Okay. Let's see, Rubble, what you get. Oh, it's another frog, but now it's orange color. Squish it. Squish it. So squishy, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so he got a, let's see.
Mix this powder.
Okay, let's see what else.
F-U-N. F-U-N.
What does it mean?
Fun.
Fun. Okay, so let's get the last balloon.
What's inside?
What do you think you're gonna get?
I don't know.
I hope it's different than frogs.
Yeah.
Because we got.
I want to see.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
got?
Mouse.
The mouse? Oh,
Yeah.
that's so pretty, so cute. Look at that mouse. Show it to me. Oh, so cute. So cute. It's a mouse. It's ready. Okay, I will help you. Go ahead. Okay, let's see what balloon is in there.
This one is not scary.
Wasn't so scary?
Yeah. Actually.
LOL.
LOL. Waffle out. LOL.
Come on, sit on there.
LL.
Okay, so the pups are celebrating. They're kind of like a party in here with a lot of balloons.
Thank you, friends, for watching my videos.
I hope you like it.
I hope you like it and hit the bell like this.
And don't forget
And don't forget to subscribe
to see you
to see you with confetti.
next time. See you next time.
See you next